Welcome to Internet Quality Academy. The channel is for the quality control engineer, site engineer, and the civil engineer who are working in the construction industry. Today, I'm going to discuss about a very important topic that every site engineer or every civil engineer who are working in the construction industry should know this one, that how to calculate the unit weight of a steel rebar. Suppose you are getting 16 diameter steel bar. What will be the unit weight? So what is the unit weight? Unit weight is the weight per running meter. So the easiest formula is d square by 162. All we know that if it is 16 is 16 into 16 by 162, it will coming 1.58. But why would d square by 162? How it is derivated? Because every civil engineer should know this one. So today I will going to discuss about how this d square by 162 has come into the picture in calculation of the rebar. And this formula is only valid for the circular round bar, not the other type of bar. See, if it is the cross section is circular, not circular is square or rectangular, this formula is not valid. Only for the round shape bar this formula is valid, that is d square by 162. Easily we can find out, but how this come, today I will show you, so in step by step process. And if you are new in my channel, kindly subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you will get immediate notification. So let's start with the formula d square 162, how it is derived. First things, we need to know what is the weight of formula, that is the volume in the density. What is for any object or any material, if you want to calculate the weight, that should be in volume into the density, so we will get the weight. The next thing is, now for the rebar is a circular section, and if the diameter of the bar is d, and then volume will be pi d square by 4 into L. We are considering L is the length of rebar. If it is 12 meter, it will be 12. If it is 6 meter, it will be 6. But we are now here to calculate one running meter. So this is unit weight. Unit weight means weight in 1 meter. So L will be 1 meter. So volume is 3.14 d square by 4 into 1000. 1000 is in millimeter. So we will get the volume of the diameter. Now we are getting the volume of the diameter. Now next we need to multiply with the density of the steel so that we will get the weight, because the normalized weight is volume into density. What is the density of the steel? That is 7850 kg per cubic meter. Now here we are taking this millimeter, so 7850 by 1000 by 1000 or 1000 kg per millimeter cube. So for this formula, we need to calculate in the millimeter, then we will get the kg per running meter. So this become the density and this become the volume. Now, if we multiply this volume with the density, we will get the weight. Let's see. See, rebar weight, what will be the volume into the density? So what will be the unit weight? Because we are taking one running meter. So what will be the volume of the one running meter bar? That is 3.14 by d square by 4 into 1000. We are taking here into density 7850 divided by 1000 into 1000 into 1000. So this unit will give you kg per meter. So what will be the unit weight? 3.14 pi volume of 3.14 d square into 7850 slash 4 into 1000 by 1000, because here is 1000, here is 1000, just uh, revolute. So then is unit weight is d square by, if you calculate 7840 into 3.14 slash 4 into 1000, 1000, it is coming d square into 0.00616.225 kg per meter. So the multiplication factor is 0.00616.225. But for the simplicity or easiness of the formula, what we are doing, unit weight d square by 1 by this. So whenever we are taking into the lower part, what will be happen? D square slash 1 by 0.0061625, and if we divided 1 by this, it is coming 162.7. So it is coming d square by 162.7, and unit weight will become 1 d square is equal to 168 for 2 by 7. So these are the formula for 1 d square by 162, and if for any circular bar or round bar, we are applying this formula. For for other, it is not valid. So these are the formula or the derivation how it is coming. For d square by 162, that weight is equal to volume into density, and if running 1 meter, the volume is 3.15 d square into 1000, density of steel 7850 per kg per cubic meter, and if we calculate wave volume into density, it is coming d square by 162. Nothing but this is a simple formula. This weight is equal to volume into density. We are just transferring into the kg per running meter. We are getting the unit weight. So it's a simple mathematics, and you can easily find out and you can easily make it. Let's take an example. That is example of 16 mm dia bar. 16 into 16 slash 162 is equal to 1.58. You can check in the code that the 16 mm dia bar is 1.58 kg per meter square. So these are these are simple formula. You can use it in anywhere whenever you are calculating the running meter or the unit weight of the bar, because it is required to find out the total tonnage of the steel used in the construction. So the running meter or the unit weight is very much important. So in this formula, you can easily find out the unit weight. So I hope you find this one useful, and if you find useful, kindly subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you will get immediate notification. And I'm waiting for your valuable comments, and from your valuable comments, everybody will be benefited. And if you want to know anything more about quality and construction, please let me know. I will come with more content like this. Thank you once again for watching me.